Yeah, we live, baby.
Oh, hold on.
Whose car is this? Whose car?
What's going on, guys? Checking out this new quality we got on here. Y'all thought the last video was the last vlog. Technically it was on the GoPro, but now we got the Sony A6100 camera. We're at the boy Zach's house once again with his Volkswagen R32 over there, my Mustang. Today we're about to install the front splitter for the Mustang. I know I told you I wanted to get my front bumper painted first, but the painter is tweaking on me. He capping right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the front splitter on, and then I'm gonna order some fog lights for the thing and not even worry about the bumper being a slightly different color in the car now, because you can barely see it. Y'all can barely see on camera. A lot of people can barely tell unless I tell them. All right, once again, got the front splitter right here in the car. And also, guys, I did order a performance clutch line. Here we got a McLeod clutch line, performance clutch line. I am gonna be installing that in another video, not today. God dang, I can't get used to this camera right now by holding it. I'm not gonna install that today. Today we're gonna be focused on the front splitter. This is basically an RTR front splitter. It's not from American Muscle, it's not from LMR, it is from eBay for 130 bucks. So it's basically, I'll leave the link in the description for this front splitter here. American Muscle, this thing is like 200 bucks, like 200 bucks, $200 to $300 for this RTR front splitter. On eBay, 130. We just propped the lip up right now. It's not even bolted in, but I'm not sure how good y'all can see this on camera, but this thing is already looking mean, man. Let me stop playing around and get to installing this and figuring it out, because I only got limited time right now. It's not gloss, it's not a gloss lip. Eventually, because it is so bland right now, it's bland color versus my gloss car. That don't look right. Zach said this thing look like a fucking Hellcat. My brother on FaceTime, what you say?
You need that back wing.
That back wing.
Get a long
I need a wing. Everybody tell me I need wheels, I need a spoiler. It's all coming, man. This car ain't cheap, man. Nothing is not cheap for this shit right here. But it's definitely coming for sure. As amazing as this freaking front splitter looks on this car right now, it's gonna wait for another day. I'm gonna catch y'all in another vlog. So then it's gonna be wrapped gloss black or either spray painted gloss black. Some way, somehow, it's gonna be ASAP. Hopefully in a few more days. I'll get to y'all soon. I just let it cool down a little bit, let it air dry with that alcohol right there. Now I'm about to throw some gloss spray paint on here. 3 coats of spray paint, gloss black. And after these 3 coats, I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes after each coat until I reach 3 coats of this. And then we're gonna throw some clear coat on there. I'm gonna see the aftermath. Now, taking a look at this freaking glossy bumper now, definitely way better from yesterday. But as you can see, I just painted it, and this is the paint that I use right here. You can use any paint, but use a good brand, you know, just use some good gloss. You don't need a primer, just a gloss, because basically the plastic is already black, so you don't need primer. We're gonna throw on this blue strip right here. I got this from Walmart in the car section. Some electric tape. First thing, we're gonna head and do this thing now. Some of you Mustangs might come with a little small lip on here already. With this RTR lip, we already test fitted it. It won't fit with this one, so we're gonna take this off and then throw this one on here.
You want the angle?
All right, angle, yeah, it don't matter. I got a 7mm right here. We got like a lot of bolts. It's probably like 11 of them you got to take off all the way around here. All right, so this groove right here is gonna go in here with this RTR. Oh snap. So up just like this. It is so plain and simple. Get this around. I can barely do it with the camera in my hand. Just like that. This groove is gonna go up in there. These bolts right here, I'm gonna eventually tighten them up. It's gonna push in and it's gonna be flush fitment as soon as I get it on. This might need another person because we got a little bit of a gap right here. So in order for you to get that flush fitment, Zach, I'm gonna need you to just push on the bumper while I drill them in, just like right here, like where my hand is. Like push it towards the car just like that. And we can close that gap right there. It needs to be just like just right there. And then I'll get under there and bolt them up really quick. All right, y'all, look at this freaking front splitter right here. It is on there, looking crisp, clean, glossy, shining. One problem that we did run into, like a little small problem, is that the fitment right here is cracking just a little bit. Now, what I was thinking right when this is cracking is that we probably should have cut this right here, so then it eliminates this from possibly cracking over the whole splitter. I'm gonna do a test drive today, most likely when I hit some bumps or whatever. This thing might just spread out and crack some more. Hopefully not, but we're gonna see what it does. I'm loving this camera right now because I can zoom in and zoom out. The freaking quality is crisp, clean. But yeah, let's back this thing up.
Yeah, he's shining. Ooh, hold on. Forgot the wheel chuck. Shit. It's on.
Yeah. Looking good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Hell yeah. Man, we're looking aggressive out here. Look at that hood killing the game, splitter killing the game. Just getting all the work, y'all. And all I gotta say is, damn. Gosh, really, look at this thing, man. Wait a minute. Whose car is this? Whose car? Just had to whip it out real quick.
There you go. We're recording right now?
Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah, we live, baby. Look at that motherfucking rims right there. Look at that spoiler right there.
Heck yeah, we
Shit. The best part of this whole thing, though, is right there, baby. Right there, TD.
Hit that subscribe.
All day long.
Got my boss in action. Pulled up over here to my second job over here. I'm about to put the tape on here, the tape on the front, because I can do it early. Oh shit, it's zoomed in. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen the video, my boss owns a 1300 horsepower Evo. Isn't it such a coincidence that this tape that I got from Walmart, I told you guys earlier, is just nearly the same color as my car? Like, if they can't get any better, I don't know what can. Nice as assortment of electrical tape they got here at Walmart, like I told y'all before. So let's get to it. Let's throw this blue thing on here and let's make this car pop out even more and make this splitter pop out even better. All right, we just lined it up. What do y'all think? What do y'all think of this? It definitely outlines the car and the front splitter a lot. I think it looks dope. But looking at it, I also think without the tape looks dope too. I don't know. I gotta rock this out a little bit more. But gosh, it does look good on camera. When you get up close to it, you can kind of see that the tape is really not the same color as the car, and it's kind of off in places. That's what I'm not digging about it. I'm gonna ride this thing out Now this thing would be way better. It would look way better if it was painted. Like if this front part right here was painted. And obviously, I'm pretty sure, you know, I painted the bumper. I could do that too. All you gotta do is tape off the whole splitter, not the bumper, the splitter. Tape off the splitter. But I don't know. But this is just a good first step to see if you do like it like that. Right now, it's a so-so for me. To be honest, it is a so-so for me. I really do like the all black look right now. Before, but I also do like this look. However, it's just the tape that is throwing the color of the car off, because I thought it was almost nearly the same. It is almost nearly the same color, but it's just not deep impact blue. You know, if you're gonna put something to match it, the car, it has to be spot on match right now. Through the camera it might look like that, but it looks dope. It honestly does look dope. Maybe I just gotta give it a minute. Maybe. And we're gonna get these fog lights soon. We're gonna put the fog lights in there. We're gonna get the V6 fog lights. I'm not gonna get the Roush fog lights and put them in here. I'm gonna get the V6 fog lights. Well, let me know what y'all think about this trim right here, man. Also, as you can see here, we have a performance clutch line, McLeod. Definitely gonna install this in the car, hopefully Friday this weekend. A video for this will be coming out. It helps with the lockout of the car. Hopefully it solves the issue as a full, you know, solution. And also, guys, almost just forgot to mention, but we're gonna use this as a mirror. As you can see, we have an actual freaking camera now. Filming on the Sony A6100, man. This camera was around $900. And I got a lot of other stuff that I gotta get for the camera, with accessories, the mic, everything, tripod, all that other stuff. So well over $1,000 for this camera right here, man. We got more mods coming up. School's coming up too, man. This shit sucks, man. Damn, not want to go back at all. We gonna get through it. We gonna keep progressing with this car. Freaking performance mods are gonna be coming with this car, because everything that you need to put in this car needs a damn tune. You put an air intake in it, it needs a tune. A throttle body needs a tune. I want to put a manifold in it, it needs a tune. Everything needs a tune with this car. When we get a tune, that's another $400 to $700 right there. So we going slow with this thing. We're taking our time. Other than that, guys, leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, because we going.